Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Muhammad Houri. I'm the Senior Product Manager for Olympus for Middle East, Turkey and Africa. And here we have Dr. Louise Gavin, and we are here to talk about our latest and high-tech technology when it comes to radio frequency for treatment of sleep apnea and snoring.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Luis from Spain, based in Dubai. Today I come in here invited by this fantastic brand Olympus medical division, and also very high specialists in sleep apnea and snoring treatments. I'm using this system. They developed totally sophisticated, high-tech, the last in the market. I want to explain you why it's so effective for stop snoring and also stop sleep apnea, and maybe this CPAP on bed machine supply someone has to be used. First, we go to the soft palate. We need to apply some topical anesthesia. This is done in regular basis in a medical clinic. Very simple, nothing. Forget about surgeries, forget about operation room, forget about general anesthesia. We go inside the soft palate and then we apply the anesthesia. Simple. Then after, when there is no any possibility for any pain, then with this probe, then we apply by radio frequency, we apply in the soft palate. Just only is a very 2 millimeters introduction in the soft palate tissue, mucosa, and then we go and we apply in different sites. That provides stopping this flapping in the soft palate, stopping snoring, and also provides totally different in the sleep. Because why? Because they open the pass of the air holes. So really in 2, maximum 3 sessions, assisting you in the clinic, topical anesthesia, no pain, high effective, we can really eradicate the snoring and the sleep apnea thanks to Olympus people, thanks to this system they invent.